Good morning guys, this is David Brown and today I'll show you how to make the perfect Martini healthy cocktail for breakfast. See you in a bit. So for this drink, this amazing breakfast drink, we will have two elements which are very antioxidant. One which will be the coconut water, which is very hydrating in the morning. I suggest you to have it first thing in the morning before you have your breakfast, for those who have breakfast in the morning, and apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar is organic and both together will make an amazing drink, refreshing and antioxidant, and will help you digest. So first of all, we'll take this apple cider vinegar and we put only 1 tablespoon into the glass. Okay, and then we'll take 8 centiliters of the coconut water. Always good, the best you can find in the market where you live is a good idea. There you go. And what we will do, we will mix them together like the proper Martini cocktail. You will see it's super refreshing and it even tastes like the Martini. It's amazing and it has no alcohol. It's so good for you. I'm so proud of it. So this is ice because I put the ice inside so it cools down the glass. So it's super fresh. There you go. You want to get rid of all the ice which is inside. Okay? And then you will pour the liquid inside. There you go. We take a lemon peel for the aroma to make it even fresher and to start your day the best and most positive you can. There you go. And this is the amazing Martini, the healthy way. Cheers.